All right, y'all, we got a fun one here. My extension cord isn't working. That's a short story. But the unique part is both ends are in pretty good shape. And I've physically and visually inspected the length of the cord, and there's no shorts, no cuts, no abrasions in the jacket. So what's going on? I could just hack off both ends and likely it'll work. But ends are kind of expensive. They're a pain in the butt to put on, and I'd rather have a hermetically sealed manufactured end if it's still good. So again, I know my thing's bad. I plugged in a tool the other day, it didn't work. And now we're going to talk about how I diagnosed what is wrong with it. So my male end, my male end is plugged into the wall, and a tool wasn't working. I have my meter here, so that's part of this video, is to learn how a multimeter works. So we're going to start with off. I got my leads in, it's AC. You can do black to black, red to red. AC, it doesn't really matter if you know what you're looking at. But anyways, we got our leads in here. We're plugged in on the other end, and we're going to go to volts squiggly line, which is volts AC. AC house power is alternating current. And then if you're not familiar with this, please wear gloves or something like that. The voltage is dancing, it's AC, it's on auto, so it's going to range itself. So I'm going to start here on the ground, and this is the black hot wire is thinner, the thinner outlet. I'm going to plug that in. I'm going to move it around, I'm wiggling it around in there. Now my meter's talking to me. That's telling me it's getting 120. There it is. You see 123 within 10%. This is called 120 power. Within a few volts of that, that's good news. 117, 125, you're fine. So that works. I had to wiggle it around a little bit, but whatever. That's the ground. Hot to ground. Now, watch. I'm in there, I'm wiggling. We're getting a little bit, which is kind of interesting. We're not getting anything there. It's not beeping at me. We're not getting 120, 116, or even 80. Sometimes I get, in this circuit, you're not going to get that. But now I'm going to go to ground. Ground and neutral shouldn't have anything, but we're going to do it anyways. Just because I'm here, this is what electricians do. So I think that the neutral is bad. I marked it with a marker just so I don't confuse myself. We're plugged in. So now, but again, we're back to the question. It's probably an end, I think. But they both look pretty good. Let's go grab the other end.